This is actually pretty good price. This is we're opening Sword and Shield Battle Styles. I know this camera is very bad position, but look, this is the best I can do right now. Okay, let's see. Hold up. Let's see. I'm sorry, I have to take this off the camera. I really don't want to damage the cards. Come on. You gotta get that little peek. Oh, there we go, there we go, here we go. Here we go, right here. Here we go, right here. What? What are you talking about? Put my food in your backpack. Oh! Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh. Let's see. 1, 2. Is it 4 or is it 3? I think it's 3. Let's see. I think it's 3. All right. Okay, here we go. Brew. Oh, wait. Here we go. Man, this is so scuffed. This is so scuffed. Let me see. Is there anything else I can arch this on? So that way it's better. I mean, I could put it on my legs and stuff, but... Oh my god, this is really... This is so scuffed. Well, here's the code while we're at it. Here's the code. Bam. Maybe. Because I want to... Okay, you know, I'll use this. This should be stable. Let me see. This is so scuffed right now. Okay, this is better. Okay, here we go. All right, so we got the bruise, bruxish, okay? We got Bofalunt. We got Level Ball. We got Gligar. Electabuzz. Bellsprout. Bronzor. Murkrow. Oh, okay, yeah, so it's 4 cards, okay. And then the Hollow Tower of Darkness. Okay, let's see. I don't know, from this point, it doesn't look like what's behind it. Oh, it's a Scented Scorch. Well, I don't know if that's, is it? It's a rare. You can see right there. The star means it's a rare, but I don't know if it's a good rare or what. And I don't have sleeves, so if I get something really good, everybody just hope that, you know, we're just gonna have to hope at this point. Okay, let's see. Can we get that little peek open? Come on, get that little peek. Come on. Give me that little hope. I'm sorry for the long nails. Okay, I'm on vacation right now. Oh my god, I can't get this little peek open. I can't get this. I don't want to open it from the sides because I don't want to bend anything. Oh my gosh. You know, let's just go for it. Let's just see. Oh my god, this is so tight. Like, this is so tightly packaged. My god. Oh my god, come on. There should be an opening around here. They really sealed this pack, man. Really. Wait. I found something right here. I found something. Oh my god, I'm dumb. Okay, wait. It's upside down. I'm so dumb. Okay. Oh, gotta be really careful. Oh. Okay. Oh no. Oh, okay. Don't want to be. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Jeez. I'm sorry. Okay. The concentration. I'm not falling for that. So, joke. We got the code. Bam. All right. Mr. Mime. Bam. Oh. Hold up. Gotta do the card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Almost forgot. I already know Joe Mama. Yeah, I already know that. I already know. Okay, Indeedity. All right. Sword Ward Shilbert. Crawdon. Mr. Mime. Bounce, bro. Oh. I kind of got a sneak peek of what. Okay, let's see. We got Onyx. Okay. Oh my God, man. Sparrow. Oh, Joe Biden. No, I don't know Joe Biden. I know who he is, but I don't know Joe Biden. Crobat. What's this? Man, I could have sworn I thought this was going to be something good. What? Whatever. Let's move on. Okay, let's see. So we gotta look right here. Let's see, look right here. Come on. There's gotta be some trick. Come on, concentration, come on. Is it right here? There we go, that's the magic. That's the magic spot right there. I'm sorry this is taking such a long time, okay? Ooh. Getting a little crazy. Kind of just want to hurry up. Oh. Okay, this is a... Ooh. Oh my God, okay, that was close. Okay. Code, whoever uses the code, there's a code. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is good right here. Okay, I think this is gonna be a good one. I can feel it. I can feel the I don't know, whatever you call when you go fishing pole, get tangled. All right, you got a Spew Paw. Right here, Spew Paw. Got a Gliscor. A Sword Ward and Shilbert. A Horsey. Cherubi. Lickitung. Electabuzz. Esper. Crawdont. Okay, before we take any further step, is this pack right here W or an L? I say it's a W. It's an L. Well, whatever. Okay, move on. That's 3 packs. Wow. And so far we got nothing good. Wow, come on, please. Let's see. This one has Tyranitar on the front. Maybe this will be some good luck right here. This will be some good luck, maybe. Come on. Right here. There we go. Soft spot. I don't know why it's... Oh, no. Come on. Stop being so stubborn. Okay, you know, we'll go to the top. I don't know why the card pack was being so stubborn. I don't want to get too rough. Okay, there we go. Just throw everything on the ground. All right. The Travis Scott concert. What are you talking about? All right. Code. One, 2, 3, 4. Can you imagine? All right, W. This is a W right here. This is a W. Blade. Oh, W right here. So this is the Do. Okay, we got a Cactorn. Oh, the art has an art. Maybe this is a rare. It's a rare. It says it's a rare. The art on it looks different. Maybe it's worth something. Mustard. All right. Shinx. Okay. Don't jinx my luck. Cackney. Poniard, Timber. Hopefully this opening doesn't go Timber. We got Tepig. Okay, we got Frillish. Okay, that Frillish, I don't know why, but it looks really nice. Let's see, is this a W or now? Let's see. Oh, wow, it looks nice. It looks nice. It says it's a rare. Houndoom. Okay, I've never seen this before. Oh man, ooh, look at that. It's a hollow. It's glistening. It's glistening right now. Okay, I'm gonna put it up here. Put it up here on the shelf. Okay, right here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. People started leaving as soon as I did the puns. Listen, we got it. Are you kidding me? Here we go. South spot right here. Right here. It tries to give it to me. No. That looks like something valuable. Hopefully it's something valuable. If it is trash, then fine, you could have it. But come on, why being so stubborn? Oh. Gotta be careful. Gotta be real careful right here. Gotta be real. Okay. That light turned off by itself. That's kind of creepy. But you know what? It's Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards always gonna be creepy. Never good comes from Pokemon cards. Because every time you just, you know, bank account just dies. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. There we go. Okay, energy. Boom. Blam. Ooh, this art looks different. I wonder if this is worth anything. Pharaoh. Probably something, maybe. Carnivine. Let's go. Escape rope. I don't know. Timber. Okay. Slowpoke. This stream is a little slowpoke because speed we're going to open these packs. Okay. Corefish. Salandit. Roly-Coly. Colossal. Okay. Is this a W? Is this a W or what? Let's see. W or L. Here we go. Here we go. How much did you buy? Well, I bought 8 packs open. I think this is the 4th one right here that I just opened, right? Let me see. This was the 5th one I just opened. Wow, we got trash so far. All right, let me see. W? Well, I'm going to say from this point of view, it looks like we got nothing special. It says it's a rare, but I don't know. Might not be that rare. Okay, where's this pack? 6 right here. Pretty soon I'm gonna buy what? Pretty soon I'm gonna get a pack of these and just stream. Oh my god, dude, I can't get this. Come on, give me this sweet spot. Oh wait, just got it. I just had it. I just had the sweet spot. Come on. Give me this. Come on. What is going on? Oh. Okay, there we go. Okie dokie. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, but. Ooh, okay, that's too rough. You know, whatever. As long as there's no crease, it's fine. Okay. Code. Whoever uses the codes, there you go. You know. Okay. Toss that to the side. Oh yeah. So far we've only gotten one card that looks decent. This is the only card we've gotten so far. That's, you know, that's something else besides a reverse hollow. Okay. Here we go. Let's get into it. Energy. We got Cheryl. Hey Cheryl. Heat more. Okay. Oh my battery. Okay, whatever. Tower of Darkness. Glamow. Scylla Cobra. Frillish. Houndoom. You got to clean up and straighten up your cards. Listen, this ain't my setup right now. This is what I had to make do with. Okay. Is this a W or is this out? Let's see. W or out? Well, so far it looks like an out. I don't know if this doesn't look like anything special. Maybe the art does, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up. Here, let me get all the hollows over here. Let me at least get all the reverse hollows so that we can count how many L's we took today. Let's see. Oh, I'll move the camera. Oh no. My back hurts because of the angle that I'm sitting at right now. Hurts. Okay. 2 card packs left. Okay, this is 2 card packs. See, this is the thing. That's why I really need to buy a box. But you know, today was a little bit of a budget. You know, I didn't really have that much left. The cards I got, they were like, what? I got these for like, each pack was like $5. So do the math right there. Got 8 of these. I wanted to get a pack, but I did not have the money. All right, boom. Here's the code. Okay. Do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cards are upside down. Okay, let's flip them. Boom. Oh. Uh-oh. I saw a sneak peek. I saw a sneak peek of something. Okay. You got Luxio. Okay. Tower of Waters. Okay. A Weeping Bell. A Sparrow. Pachiriso. Cherubi, or is it Cherubi? Mienfo. Mienfo Life. Okay. Looks like Scylla Cobra. Okay. Okay, it looks good. Look, you can see at the top right there, there's something special. Okay, we got mustard right here. Okay, guys. Is this a W or is this an L right here? Let's see. Ooh. Tapu Koko VMAX. Ooh. Oh, sorry. So we got a Tapu Koko VMAX. I had a Tapu Koko, and I think it was a V. And I think this one right here is more rare than the V. So I got 2 versions of this. I got the V and I got the VMAX. Okay. At least we got something, okay? Okay, let's see. Put it up here. Just to see, you know, this. Here, I'll put it close up. You know, just to see, this is something special right here. Okay, I'll put it up here with the other one. Last pack right here. This is the last one. Please let me at least pull like a Tyranitar. Please, so I can go back to the store, get some more. Oh my God, let's see. Where's the sweet spot right here? Here we go. Right here. Come on, let's go. Come on, open up. Oh, okay. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Open up. Oh, never mind. Whew. Code. There you go. There's the code. Nice and Cody. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay, that's 4. All right. My back. My neck. Okay, okay. We got Luxio. We got Tower of Terrors. We got Weepin. We got Esper. We got Shinx. We got Blip Bug. We got Pawniard. We got Mankey. Oh, this looks something special right here. This looks special, okay? Trainer Rapid Strike, Scroll of Swirls. Alright, okay. Is this gonna be a W or is this an L? Please, at least be something. I don't care if you're VMAX or whatever. Just please be something. Please. Please. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I don't know what this is. It's a Kingdra. Well, it's something. You know, it's a hollow. So, I don't know if it's special or not, but at least it wasn't a plain card. I have to say that at least it wasn't a plain card. Okay, let's see. Put that up there. We're gonna go over. Look at this. See, this was very, very. Oh my God. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna organize everything. Let's see. Okay. I think that's all the hollows. I think so. It should be all the reverse hollows right there. Yeah, that was all of them, right? Okay, that was all the reverse hollows. Okay. Oh no, there's this last one. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go over everything that we just got. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna put the camera this way. Right there. Okay. So, right now we just got Kingdra. You know, it's a hollow. We got a Tapu Koko. It's probably the best one right here that we pulled. And then the Houndoom. Okay. Let me switch around. So, I don't know if there are anything in particularly special. I know the Tapu Koko VMAX is. I think the Scroll of Swirls, I think that one's something special. I mean, to be honest, that one does. Watch, and I like. This one does look pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. That one stands out the most between all the reverse hollows, in my opinion. Let me see. Is this even used for anything? Well, I don't know. But, yeah. The Houndoom, though, this one looks pretty cool. I think this one is something worth. I think it is worth something because I remember I saw this. I think we pulled something good. Because I remember seeing this and I was like, what? So if this is like something that's $30 or something, you can probably expect me to get some more cards. That's what this. So any money or anything that I get from the Pokemon cards, all I'm gonna do is just reuse that money to buy more packs. That's all I'm gonna do. I don't care if it's a waste. I really like the Tapu Koko one. Especially the VMAX. I mean, come on. You got to know that is something pretty amazing. Like, look at that. Look at the detail. Look at that. Look at the detail right there. Look. Yeah. And then the Kingdra. The store I got it from was It's called Sports Cards Zone. Actually, the prices are pretty good there because the battle styles are $5, and you can get, I think you can get a battle styles over there for like, you get like 36 cards in the box. You get the box, and then it's like 110, which is pretty good. So it's like $3 a card in that box, which I really need to get that. I think I was gonna get one soon. But yeah, I don't know what to do from here. Well, I might play a game, but I saw on Twitch that it had something new where you can like play a game on your phone and stream it. So I'm gonna see how that works. Let me see if I can switch over. No. I think I might have to end it and then select the game and then start the stream up again. So if it does end, I'm gonna continue streaming, but I'm not gonna do just chatting. I'm gonna play a game because there's this game I just downloaded, and hopefully I could stream that because it's like, I think it's like a Japanese game, or it's like you hit like, I don't know, it's like you go along with the beat or something. But yeah, I'm gonna switch that and see how that works. So I will be back, so don't worry.